Hey friends, it's Cal. And if you hear a sound, hold on, I'll just show you. It's just the diesel heater. I won't do it again. You know, I'm not even gonna risk it. It's gonna sound like a spaceship. Ready? Okay. I'll be back when this is done going. Okay, 1 second. Alrighty, friends. This is our bus. We're driving across the country in it. And this is our 30-foot school bus conversion. My partner and I just spent this past year building out entirely from the ground up, but that's not the cool part. The cool part is we're taking you with us all the way across the country and back. So, don't forget to subscribe. Now's the perfect time to start following along. I'm having like crazy deja vu right now. First, we need to talk about this trip so far. After getting towed, moving into a diesel shop, and
I hear the go-donk and proceeded to back up over the Civic.
We drove us and the bus all the way down to Georgia, where we became a family of 6.
What's that?
Drove back to Tennessee, spent some time there, went to a Buc-ee's, made our way out to Kentucky.
I don't know how we ended up in Kentucky, but we did, and I just had the best day ever.
Where we explored some caves.
What state are we in? I don't know, we're in Kentucky.
Kentucky.
And we even made it all the way to Missouri, where we got to check out.
I think we're headed to another national park?
Gateway Arch.
I've honestly never heard of it.
The Gateway Arch?
Yeah, where's the Gateway Arch?
It's on the border of Missouri and Illinois in St. Louis.
Which was neat.
We hit a sign.
With the mirror.
With the mirror, it was nothing.
And now, to make our way west, we need to head north to South Dakota. With plenty of miles to cover, I'm just gonna leave you guys there with that. You know the drill. We'll chat soon. Oh, and you're gonna want to buckle up. It's gonna be a wild ride. Okay. Bye. Oh, look, now it's shutting off. Ah.
How's it going up there?
All right. We are in, and we are gonna be headed up north because we're trying to get to South Dakota. I think we're just doing a little bit of national park touring. So we're headed up, we're gonna do South Dakota, we're gonna do Badlands and Wind Cave. We're doing so many caves. We just
Hate caves.
We're going. I'm tired. So we are in east of Kansas City in Missouri.
And I love you, dear. This same old song.
This morning we woke up, the Starlink wasn't working. We did that today, and now we're gonna drive. Ready for a drive? Are you ready for a drive? Ready for a drive? You ready? Yo, that's so cool. It's about that long, at least steel.
I saw a Facebook post today about a final season of Breaking Bad, but then I was like, wait, but Walter's dead.
I was really proud of my little light setup, but it's gonna die, so there it is. You can't even tell. Yeah, everything's kind of dead right now.
Sorry, everybody's sleeping. 22 weeks of sharing our drive across the country with you is absolutely insane to me. Just saying. Friends, I am having so much fun getting the chance to share this journey with you, and none of this would be possible without all of your love and support. So seriously, so seriously, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below your favorite memory from the trip so far, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you and I know that you're always ready for the next adventure. Alrighty, I will see you guys down the road. so much quieter without the... I'm sorry. If it's annoying, I won't do it again. But you live and learn. Okay, bye. See you next week. We hit a sign.
With the mirror.
With the mirror. It was nothing. Parking is a 0 out of 10.